Now we are graced with the presence Honorable Judge, Lahore High Court, Mr. Justice Jawad Hassan. I would request him to please come and deliver his wonderful speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, Asif Khosa, Deputy Justice Aminuddin Sahab, my designated Chief Justice and also senior judges, respected members of the bar. Why we are here? We are here to discuss the issue of dispensation of justice in South Punjab. I can only look at and examine the constitutionalism of the dispensation of justice by just quoting the relevant articles of the Constitution of Pakistan. As a judge, I can only cite the Constitution and the judgments of the Superior Courts of Pakistan and the entire judgments on the dispensation of justice authored by the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Asif Khosa साहब, जिनकी भी मैं पढ़ता हूँ जजमेंट्स को. पर्पस क्या था हमारा? भावलपुर में when we had a conference on dispensation of justice. This is our second conference in Multan, and we from south we going to the north. Because rule of law has four parts. The rule of law, one part is access to justice, which is now a history now, because under Article 175 of the Constitution, we have the courts. Under High Court Rules Orders 1981, we have benches, which the Multan has a bench now. Under the 202 and also on Article 185, we have the supervisory capacity. So access justice is done. The issue now is the dispensation of justice, and how this dispensation of justice can be examined from the Constitution of Pakistan. And what I have examined, which I wanted to share with you, the two strong articles of the Constitution, very solid articles, that all fundamental rights which are given to the Constitution are always subject to law, except Article 14 of the right to dignity. Article 4 and Article 5 of the Constitution is the crux of the dispensation of justice, which I'll cite the judgments also. One a very heavy word used in the Constitution is, it's an inalienable right of every citizen to be treated as per law, comma, no action shall be taken except as law for any citizen, ab yahan badi achhi baat hai, wherever he is or for time being in Pakistan. So when a constitution provides you the rule of law, dispensation of justice, it uses the word inviolable, which means not subject to, cannot be taken away. तो आप सबके पास जो आर्टिकल 4 में है कि you have a right to and access to justice and dispensation of justice, that right is a right which is again given to the Constitution, but there is one duty. Constitution, if it gives you the fundamental right, casts a duty on every citizen and the government. That is Article 5, which very clearly states under the rule of law, this obedience to the Constitution is a duty of every citizen under Article 5 to obey, to be loyal to the Constitution. अब वहाँ मैं यूज़ किया वर्ड आर्टिकल 4 में राइट, इनएलिएनेबल राइट का. आर्टिकल 5 कहता है हमारे आइन का कि पहला क्या, ड्यूटी ऑफ एवरी सिटीजन टू बी लॉयल टू द स्टेट, और सबसे सख्त वर्ड है 5(2), इनवायबल ऑब्लिगेशन ऑन एवरी पाकिस्तानी to obey the Constitution and the law. To obey, now the word is duty, is the word under Article 5(1), and obligation on every citizen is a 5(2), to obey the Constitution and the law. Law, Article 175, law we have a Constitution where law under Article 70 is a law by the Parliament, provincial or federal, an act, rules or regulations, and under Article 89 of the same Constitution, an ordinance by the President or the Governor. The law, और साथ यही यूनिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है दुनिया का जहाँ पे एक वर्ड है, law means the law by the Parliament and the law by the Supreme Court and the High Court. Article 189 of the Constitution states that if the Supreme Court enunciates the principles of law, decides the question of law, it shall का word binding on all the courts below. तो जब मैंने अभी तक आपसे 5 मिनट की जो बात की है, हर चीज़ में मैंने कहा है shall और shall underline. And a High Court under Article 201 decides a question of law, enunciates a question of law, is binding on the courts below. So again, to the dispensation of justice, and when I go back to Article 4 and Article 5, to obedience to the Constitution and the law, and a citizen, Article 260 में defined हुआ है. Article 260, citizen of Pakistan as defined in Pakistan Citizenship Act 1951. So here is the word, Article 4 and Article 5, obedience to the Constitution. Now the issue which will be dealt, हमने colloquium क्यों कराया? Colloquium is that means an informal gathering for discussion, and such gatherings are always beneficial to lead positive things. So जब access to justice की बात हुई, Multan is lucky to have a strength of 12 judges under the High Court Benches Rule 1981 as per Article 175 of the Constitution of Pakistan. इसी में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ थी कि डिस्पेंसेशन ऑफ जस्टिस का वर्ड जब मैंने रिसर्च की अपने पेपर के लिए तो मैंने कहा जी वो वर्ड कहाँ से आता, तो मैंने कहा जी सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट जब मैंने पढ़ना शुरू की तो सबसे पहली जजमेंट ऑन डिस्पेंसेशन ऑफ जस्टिस पे जो आती है और वो देखा जब हम कॉन्फ्रेंस की तैयारी कर रहे थे, वी आर वेरी लकी दैट द इशू ऑफ डिस्पेंसेशन ऑफ जस्टिस in South Punjab is by a person who is from South Punjab. A person who did his law from the world's top university, University of Cambridge, is still number one, is always the number one in all rankings. Who did bar at law, we were one leading lawyer and now a judge, Chief Justice खोसा साहब की पहली जजमेंट जब उनकी आई, मैंने रिसर्च करते हुए देखी तो पहली जजमेंट के जो वर्ड्स हैं मैं आपसे पढ़ना चाहूँगा उसके, दैट इज PLD 2009 Lahore 362. That's Ghulam Murtaza case. Wording used are the quintessence of civilization's evolution and growth in legal field is progression from dispensation of justice according to the principle of justice, equity and good conscience to justice according to law. The rational or rationality atare for this moment quite easy to discern and comprehend is that justice ought to be administered according to the whims, caprice and subjective standards of as an individual judge, but it should be dispensed according to some codified or stipulated standards so as to render the outcome consistent and reasonably predictable. The essence therefore is that justice should not vary with the size of chancellor's foot, but a person inviting a legal intervention to his conduct should be able to appreciate in advance as to how he is likely to be treated by a judge dealing with application of relevant law, that person's conduct, full stop. That was the first judgment coming out with the rule of law and dispensation of justice, and then his lordship authored various judgments on the same principles of rule of law, criminal justice system, administration of justice and rule of law, which are PLD 2019 Supreme Court 488, PLD 2019 Supreme Court 527, PLD 2007 Lahore 231, because I don't have time, because I only have limited time to discuss, but there's various judgments where this brought the concept of the dispensation of justice under the rule of law. My second point was that his lordship was also, while deriving his judgments, you gain an international respect, was invited by the Cambridge Union Society, first person to be invited at Cambridge ever in 200 years ago. Because judges only speak through their judgments, and all on the issue of rule of law. And in this forum, I wanted to clarify that are we all doing this with the help of bar and bench. The concept bar and bench got together at Bhavalpur. बैठे हुए DG साहब यहाँ पे, who was sitting there at that time, where we talked about the issue on one point only, dispensation of justice. जहाँ पे इस बार भी आज बार ने फिर आबिद साहब के अंडर with the permission of the Chief Justice हमने बात आज की कि जी which way do we head. हमारा अगला था wording changing frontiers. Dispensation is under Article 37D of the Constitution, where states shall provide expeditious and speedy justice. The word shall again under Article 8, a duty of the state. and where the courts under Article 175 and with the leadership of the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Syed Asif Khosa, we have come out with the various new regimes for the issue only on the dispensation of justice, changing frontiers. I think हमको लिखना चाहिए change frontiers, sir. अब change frontiers हो गया on the Expeditious Justice Initiative (EJI), the Lordship की वजह से issue हुआ, the Model Trials in Appellate Courts, the Gender Bias Violence Courts, the Model Family Courts and Model Rent Courts, E-Courts, Police Reform, and a lot of things, because all are part of the rule of law. Because justice जब करना होता है तो वो जो बात अभी पढ़ी थी पहले भी कई स्पीकर्स ने कि जी इट्स नॉट द पार्ट dispensation of justice is not only the judicial part, it's also the management and the administration also. We only deal the cases and the cases which comes to the court. And to conclude, there are various quotes I wanted to, but I don't have a time. I wanted to share one very famous judgment by Lord Dippick, that is 1981, All England Law Report 289. With his lordship, every civilized system of government requires that the state should make available to all citizens a mean, the just and peaceful settlement of disputes between them as to their respective legal rights. This means provides our courts of justice to every citizen has a constitutional right of access in the role of plaintiff to obtain remedy to which he claims to be entitled to in consequences of an alleged breach. So at the end, our constitution, again to sum up, has provided us Article 38 on this dispensation of justice, Article 4, Article 5, 4 cast rights to us, and 5 is the duty and obligation to us to obey the law and the judgments of the Supreme Court. Thank you.
Now, promo video of Multan.
मैं मुल्तान हूँ, एक खित्ता-ए बेमिसाल, मुरक्का-ए हुस्न व जमाल, एक तहजीब-ए लाजवाल, मस्कने